A takeoff can look precise and still be wrong. The dangerous mistakes are rarely difficult arithmetic. They are failures of scale, scope, assumptions, and communication. Here are 5 mistakes that can turn a clean-looking quantity into an expensive estimate, and how to catch each one before the bid leaves your desk. Mistake 1. Trusting the printed scale instead of calibrating the sheet. PDFs get resized, cropped, and pass through print drivers. A note that says 1/8 inch equals 1 foot does not protect you if the page itself changed. A wall that should be 60 feet can read as 30 or 120 when the wrong scale is applied. Consider a synthetic test estimate with 1,000 square feet and a test unit cost of $4. Doubling the quantity changes the total by $4,000 before waste, labor, or markup. That is not a market price. It is simple arithmetic showing why scale comes first. Confirm one known dimension, save the calibration with that sheet, and check a second known dimension before measuring scope. Mistake 2. Using the wrong measurement model. Length, perimeter, area, and count answer different questions. A wall run is not a floor area. A room perimeter is not its square footage. Repeated door symbols are not a line. Choose the geometry that matches the estimating question. For a straight run, capture the 2 ends. For a segmented run, click each turn and watch the live total. Trace a polygon for irregular area and keep repeated symbols in a count group. The tool should make the current question obvious and let you undo the last point without discarding the whole measurement. Mistake 3. Hiding estimator decisions inside the measured quantity. The drawing may contain 1,000 square feet. 10% waste is an assumption, not another 100 square feet drawn on the plan. Coverage, waste, conversion, unit cost, labor, and markup should remain explicit. If the estimator simply replaces 1,000 with 1,100, the next reviewer cannot tell whether the drawing changed or an allowance was added. Preserve the measured quantity, then apply the assembly or formula visibly. That separation protects the source and makes the estimate adaptable when a project uses a different product, crew, or waste rule. Mistake 4. Leaving context in the estimator's head. A quantity without its sheet, layer, phase, location, cost code, status, note, and source geometry is hard to review. It may be numerically correct and operationally useless. Select the geometry or its ledger row and confirm what the number represents, where it came from, and whether it is ready for pricing. This is also where tribal knowledge becomes durable. A note about an unusual transition, exclusion, or field condition should survive the person and the project where it was learned. Mistake 5. Communicating a total instead of communicating the scope. A price alone does not tell a client, project manager, or crew what is included, excluded, qualified, or offered as an alternate. It does not show which drawing quantity supports the line item or which decision comes next. Keep the path between estimate and drawing available. Let the reviewer see the measured source, the formula, the assumption, and the note. Clear communication is not decoration after estimating. It is part of producing an estimate another person can trust and act on. The 5 checks are simple. Calibrate the sheet. Match the geometry to the question. Separate drawing facts from estimating assumptions. Keep the context attached. Communicate the scope, not only the total. The real product of a takeoff is not merely a number. It is a number another person can review, explain, and reuse. Use the free practice plans linked below to test the complete workflow before your next live estimate.